Hi there. Okay, now I've got my crane. I'm going to go ahead and draw it. So I'm going to set my crane up a little bit of a ways in front of me. So I'm going to close this. So I want my crane kind of far away. Now, right now there's not a lot of light, but I can see shadows. So I'm going to go ahead and leave that. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw my crane onto my paper. I may or may not be able to show you, but let's see if I can show you both. I kind of need both hands. The goal is to draw this crane multiple times on this paper, okay? And there are a couple different ways to do that. One of them is to sight. So I kind of use something like my pencil and I hold my arm out stiff because if I bend it here and then here, I'm gonna end up with something different. So, move that out of the way. So I just kind of hold this and I kind of mark like it's to the T, okay? So if I make a space on my line, I'm gonna pretend that that is the same as from this T to the end of my pencil. So now I'm gonna go this way. And it's about even. So I'm gonna mark off a space. So roughly I'm creating like a temporary bubble of what it would look like. Okay. So now I can go through and I can start putting in helpful lines. So like I can see that the outline of this comes up and over. And I've got this really long tail. Here's that box. This is where if we think about this in terms of shapes like squares, rectangles, things like that, like I can start to see, you know, like I can even see that this goes down. This is kind of a shadow, so I'm gonna put that in there. And the neck comes up. And I want to put it at the, now right now I'm also just sketching, so I'm not trying to get perfect, but like, here's this. Comes in, here's the head. And it's darker than the rest. And then here's the wing on the other side. It kind of comes down, goes out, comes back in. So that's like a rough outline. So I could go in from here. Now I'm going to reposition everything. So now that I've got like my nice sketch,